What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm just going to talk about kind of the state of Nissan in general. I know there's been, after the Z little teaser video came out, a lot of people's doing videos on that. I didn't really want to jump directly into it, just mostly because I don't have the Z and I haven't been on the platform, but I've been getting a lot of people asking me my thoughts and everything on it, so I figured I'd go ahead and make this video, especially with the new information that came out today. So, as many of you probably know, Nissan has not been in the greatest position as of late. They haven't been doing so well. Sales have been struggling, and then if you add the pandemic on with that, it's definitely not a good situation. Plus, Infiniti has been struggling as well, so they have outlined a couple plans that they have to kind of try to come back from that. They haven't gone into a whole bunch of detail in public just yet, or at least I haven't found the information for it yet, but they are planning and working on trying to recover. And one of the things that they're doing is they have 5 new redesigns. Now, I'm not 100% sure on all of the redesigns, but we do know that the new Z is one, as well as the Rogue. They're doing another one. So the Rogue, a lot of people are they don't really care too much about that, but the Rogue is actually a big seller for Nissan. It's one of their top sellers. It made up for, like, I think it was 25 or 26, yeah, 26% of their domestic sales for like the last 2 years, and they've sold over 400,000 units in each year, and for 2 years in a row. So it's definitely very important in terms of them staying afloat and surviving and everything. So it's definitely something that does garner some attention. The newer update that they're doing, it does look pretty similar to the current Rogue. That's the 2nd gen one. But they are adding a lot of features to it as well. In the new trim package, they're going to also add their ProPilot assist, which is not quite fully autonomous driving. It's not on Tesla level, but it does help with the it's integrated with the cruise control, so it controls the speed, acceleration, braking, as well as lane assist as well. So it's definitely a good feature to add into basically one of their best sellers. So that's definitely a good thing that they're doing. And also, as they have their lower tier vehicles start to get features like that, that kind of trickles down to, it kind of trickles to the other vehicles, because if you have that in your lower end, it only makes sense that you have that, at least that, in your higher end. I know with the Ultima, as the newer model came out, they started to add more features into just the base Ultima, to the point where they all had a nice head unit, a decent head unit, so you didn't have that old, just the clock that we had in the S model for the 5th gen. So it's definitely something that they're trying to keep the technology improving for all of their vehicles. And also, what they're doing, they haven't announced any pricing yet, but they are still working on getting 4 others. As I mentioned, the Z is going to be one of them. And then we have, I'm thinking, I don't know if they're ready to do the Titan just yet. I think it'll be about a good time to do the Titan. If they're going to do the midsize, they definitely need to do that, because I think that's been around for 12 years or so, maybe even more. So I believe it's the Frontier. If they're still going to do that, they definitely need to update it, or put a nail in it. I know they're going to be doing some more crossovers. Probably going to have a bigger crossover, maybe the Murano. That might be one, because they are a really big seller for them. So those might be the 3. The Maxima, I don't know, they kind of just did one a little while ago. They might do another, who knows, because that's still one of their big sellers as well. But the sedan market is kind of drying up a little bit. But we will see. But as far as the Z, a lot of people have been asking me how I feel about the Z. From what I've seen so far, I'm very interested in it. I definitely want to see more. As it stands, from what I'm seeing, I really do want one. I would like to get one right away. Not sure, but it depends on the price and just a few more things on it, because I think overall it'll be a great vehicle to have. I know it'll do great for the channel if I did get it. It definitely has my attention right now. I did want to get a project car for the channel after we get our house, but now with that Z so close, it's just like, okay, well, do I just hold off until that comes out? We don't really have a time frame for it either, so I don't know. It depends. We'll see when we get the house in a couple months, and then we'll go from there. But definitely let me know in the comment section what you guys think I should do. If I should just pick something up now and then get the Z when it comes out, or wait. Just let me know what you think. Yeah, but also I wanted to let you guys know from the Fit Squad that we do have it's not really my event or anything, but I'm going out to support the ladies over at the United Street Queens. So we're going to be going to Speed Zone again, as always. Speed Zone Orlando is going to be 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. on the 20th, June 20th, at Speed Zone. So that's Saturday. So definitely, if you're interested, I'll throw a link in the description so you'll see the Facebook event page. But yeah, if you're interested, definitely come on out and check it out. Should be a pretty good time. I'm trying to see if we can get some more of the Nissan homies there. Altimas, of course, but I'm gonna see if we can get some Maximas and 370s and everybody to come out and support as well. But I didn't want to drag this video on too long. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.